Another resource that's available for everyone who takes this course is the FBA Master Facebook group. And you can find that by going up top of your Facebook and typing in FBA Master Group. It'll be here. It's got around 4,700 members right now, but it'll keep growing. But all you have to do when you're on there is just request to join. We go through a little approval process, nothing that you have to worry about, just to make sure you're not some spam bot or some crazy person that's going to post Ray-Bans. So we do that, and you are automatically approved into the group. So let's take a little tour of the group here. Now, when you first start, up top there is a video. I suggest everyone who's new watches it. It kind of lays out the rules and the groundwork for what the group is about. And I'm going to explain a little bit of that here in this video, but I think that this is a great spot for anyone who's just joining the group to start. There are five administrators of the Facebook group. Myself, Mike Garner, John Sizon, my dad, Jason Wilkey, and my cat, Carl Wilkey. Yes, you heard me right. There is a cat who frequents this group. But few things that you want to look at. Questions galore. You can post any question, and we have a great group of people who like to help with those questions. Maybe myself, maybe other group members, maybe other administrators, but all you need to do is ask questions and it'll start working. You'll see I do some funny things like raps, crazy like that, but that's kind of where you can post your questions at. So up top here, you can see all of the members if you want, but we also have some great events. Like next week, I'm hanging out with Andy Slamans, and we're going to talk a little private label. Then the CEO of Inventory Labs is going to be joining us the next week to talk about kind of how you use Inventory Labs, where it's at, and how you can save your time, and make more money. You also got some great photos, which you see I love the Packers, they're there, but some great photos can give you some motivation. But a hidden gem in this group is the files. And these are files that some of the people here in the group have actually uploaded, and I highly recommend looking here. There's some flat files, there's some gated category approval information, a lot of great stuff there. So it's the hidden gem of the group. But yeah, you just go in here, you have a support community around you that is always there for you, always willing to answer questions, and you will find that even though your question may have been asked before, everyone is very willing to go in and answer their questions all the time. We do different promotions in the group, so sometimes you'll see me do random things to give out freebies, contests, all that jazz. So you always want to check on it daily. We'll post all of the new blog posts in the group as well. But that is just a little rundown of the FBA Master Group. Like always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Or you could hop in the group and ask the question, and myself or the community will be there to help answer it.